see. And when broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Hi loves, so I'm basically using the Yardley Illuminating Primer to prime my face, and I'm putting this on my T-zone area just because my pores tend to be large. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my CYO Create Your Own Foundation in the shade Toffee, and I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Eleco HD Pro HD, I don't know, yeah, concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm basically just going to highlight my face. Okay, so I'm basically going to do things a bit different this time around. Please do notice where I am contouring on my, like, between my nose and my upper lip, and I never ever contour or put my concealer there. So there are quite a few changes to my highlights and contour, and today I'm also going to be using, today I'm not going to be using powder to contour, so yeah. Next up, I'm going to be using my Eleco Pro Concealer in the shade, oh my god, I do not know what shade that is, but I will write it down in the description box. Like, I'm gonna write it down, like that's gonna be the only product in my description box, because I didn't mention what shade it is. And yeah, if you guys want to know other products that I do use, just comment so I can respond to you guys. Just comment below. So I'm just literally going to blend my concealer. I do not have a large forehead, though I did conceal quite, like I did contour a lot on my forehead, because I just like the warmth that it it warms up my face. So that's just it basically. And I'm using a smaller brush around my nose because it's just easy to blend in everything. Okay, next up I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro powder in Banana, and I'm basically, okay, so I mixed my LA Girl banana powder with a setting powder I got from Signature Cosmetics. So yeah, and like this is my first time baking, you guys, so I went all in, as you guys can see. I mean, I was a bit shook. I'm like, am I doing it right? You know what I mean? But you know, I went ahead and I did it. So yeah. Okay guys, so I kind of removed the setting powder after like a few seconds, because I put a lot and I was quite like, I was scared, and I don't know, I just didn't really want to create a mess out of this look. I did not have any flashbacks, so I guess yeah, that's the shade. It just worked out nicely. Okay, cool. So next up, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible. Is it infallible or infallible? Okay, whatever. That's the mist spray. Okay, so I did put my True Avon mascara on while I was like, yeah, I didn't do it on camera. Okay, so I'm just searching for something to put on my lips. I haven't really decided what kind of lippy I'd like to have on, but I'm guys, oh my god, the launch bar is doing the damn thing. Okay, so now I'm using my Avon dark brown pencil. Now I'm going to use my Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's Maybelline. Now this lipstick is so much life, you guys. I die for it, I live for it. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. Okay, so next up, I think this is a bronzer. I got it from Foschini, and I think it's the brand Colors. I think this is more of a bronzer than a highlighter. Yes, it's a bronzer. Yes, it's a bronzer. So I really wanted a soft glam look. I didn't like want some hectic highlighting situation going on, so I decided to use it as a highlight as well as I don't know, bronzing my face as well. So it worked quite nicely. I love the soft look and how soft it is. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Okay, so I'm tired of the makeup look, and this is what it is, and this is what it is. Yes. So yeah, you guys, if you guys liked what I had, if you guys like yo guys, it's been years since I filmed. What do I say again? Okay, so if you guys liked what you saw, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as please comment below your thoughts or any video suggestions you guys might have, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm so shy. Like, why am I feeling so shy? I'm feeling so nervous. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.